Kia ora, my name is Anthea Whitlock. I'm a doTERRA Essential Oils advocate, gold leader and long-time oils educator. There are many ways to use essential oils safely and effectively to help achieve all manner of desired effects, emotional and physical. An easy and effective way to use essential oils is on our skin, otherwise known as topical application. I'm going to show you how to make your own essential oil roller that you apply to your skin and can carry with you and use no matter where you are and what you're doing to achieve the feelings of whatever it is that you want to feel. Of course, I still remember when I first started using essential oils how underconfident I was about it all. Fear not though, making a roller is super simple and requires only very minimal equipment. Over the next couple of minutes you'll learn, first up, what is a roller, why and when would you want to use one, and whereabouts on your body do you roll it. Secondly, what equipment is required to make a roller, before lastly, walking through together step by step how to make your own roller and bring on the feel good. Let's get started. A roller is a type of bottle with a rolling ball top like this. You roll it over your skin to be absorbed, also called a roller ball or a roller bottle. People love using essential oil rollers because they're so quick and easy. You don't have to do anything except whip it out and apply it to your skin. A roller is also super portable, so small and easy to carry around with you in your handbag, school bag, or just in your pocket. And fast acting. Essential oils are lipid soluble, which means when you apply them to your skin, they penetrate through the fatty tissue easily and quickly. Within just a couple of minutes of applying essential oils to our skin, they can be detected in our bloodstream. Within 30 minutes, they're in every cell of our body. A roller is great when you have a particular area of your body you wish to target. Maybe you have skin imperfections, a cut on your hand, a bruise on your knee. You simply roll it on that part of the body and rub it in gently. But a roller can also be useful when you want to provide support for the entire body. For example, many oils are often applied to the soles of the feet. This is because it's a place where oils are readily absorbed, but also where the skin is thick, so less risk of irritation from super strong oils for those who are particularly sensitive. Plus, if you're not so fond of the smell, you can't smell it so much down there. However, given most essential oils smell divine, applying them to places closer to your nose, such as inside wrists, back of neck or chest, are great places too. Now you know why making your own roller is useful. Let's get ourselves prepared. These are the things you'll need to make your roller. A roller bottle. This can be any size. This one is 20 ml. The specific essential oil or oils you are using will depend on the effect you are wanting your roller to achieve. There are apps to help you here. Most oils are very versatile, you don't need to have them all, just select from what you have. With spring upon us and all the pollens in the air and resulting allergies, I am making a roller which I call Seasonal Zen, containing lemon, lavender and peppermint. And carrier oil. This is a vegetable oil with little to no scent, used to dilute essential oils to better absorb into your skin and protect against skin sensitivity. Carrier oil also makes it easier to cover a larger area if needed. I use fractionated coconut oil, but sweet almond or jojoba oils are some other great carrier oil alternatives. Now to bring everything together. Hold the roller firmly between your fingers. Add as many drops of essential oil or oils as needed. Everyone is different, but here is some general guidance. Fill the remainder of the roller with carrier oil. Pop the roller on. Shake gently. Then you're done and it's ready to use. Now you can make your own essential oil roller to support yourself and your family physically and emotionally. If you'd like to learn more about essential oils and get started with purchasing your own, no matter where in the world you are, I'm here to help.